Okay, I forgot to include this in the last little bit of the second one, but I'm gonna just talk about acids and bases really quick because that's when we do titration calculations. It's usually with acids and bases. Okay, so again, remember acids usually start with H. If something starts with H, you should identify it as an acid. We're gonna do a heck of a lot more talking about these later on. So acids, come on, give me my pen. Oh, there we go. Start with H. Okay, there is a difference between strong and weak. The strong acids and the strong bases, you should know. I would memorize these. Okay, I will not put these on the test. You should know which ones are strong, which ones are weak. Okay, my mnemonic for remembering these, the strong acids, I use the word bins. That is the bromic, hydrobromic, hydroiodic, nitric, and sulfuric. And then I just remember there are 2 chlorines. Okay. As for the strong bases, these are all the ones in group 1 and 2 hydroxides. So they're actually pretty easy to remember, but you do need to know those. So you should be able to identify if you're doing an equation, if it has HNO3 in it, oh, that's a strong acid. Okay. The other thing you need to remember is what a strong versus a weak acid are or is. Strong and weak bases are ones that dissociate completely in solution. Dissociate completely. That means they completely turn into ions. Completely. Okay, so all of them are ions. So like HCl completely turns into H plus and Cl minus ions. Okay, completely. Weak ones do not. Okay, so weak dissociate slightly. Okay, dissociate, I'm going to abbreviate that, slightly in solution, not completely. This is going to come in when we're talking about equilibrium later. These are some weak acids and bases that you should be able to identify. We use, this is acetic acid, we use it all the time. Usually I write HC2, H3O2, same thing, H2CO3, H3PO4, essentially anything that is not one of the strong acids above. Okay. You should also be able to identify ammonia as a weak base. It only slightly acts like a base. And really anything that's got that nitrogen in there, nitrogen H3, nitrogen H2, where those hydrogens can connect, that is going to be a weak one that you should recognize. So again, you should be able to recognize these or just memorize them if that is difficult for you.